Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laser levels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Johnson Level and Tool Self. If you take on DIY projects that require exceptional accuracy, such as installing kitchen cabinets or counters, hanging doors, or even hanging draperies, then you need a laser level you can count on. That's just what you get with the Johnson Level and Tool 40921, our top pick for the best laser level. In our tests, this professional-grade tool was easy to use and self-leveled perfectly. It was right on target for both vertical and horizontal beams. The laser level was dropped onto every side in our tests, but it remained just as accurate as before and showed no damage. Moving on. At number 4, we have the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level. If you don't need a laser level often, you might not want to spend a lot of money on one. Luckily, the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level provides satisfactory accuracy. It projects a red horizontal or vertical line or crossed lines up to about 50 feet with good accuracy. This is a simple laser level in terms of controls, with one button for on/off and mode selection, and one button to lock or unlock the laser. While testing, we noted that the instructions were not very clear, especially for the laser's self-leveling function, but that once we understood the process, the laser performed well. Like other red-beamed laser levels, seeing the laser outdoors or in dim light is difficult. At number 3, we have the Huepar self-leveling green laser level with magnetic base. We found it very simple to use and noted that it was easy to see the laser beam for a long distance, even across the yard. It also has 2 brightness modes, which might be useful when using the tool in poor light. The laser level can self-level to within 3.5 degrees, which is better than most similar tools. The manufacturer states that it has an accuracy of 1/9 inch within 33 feet, but it was right on target in our test. It survived the drop test without any damage or loss of function. Although it doesn't include a tripod, you can attach it to any one you already own with either 1/4 inch or 5/8 inch threads. At number 2, we have the Huepar 3D Crossline Self. The Huepar BO3CG Pro is our favorite rechargeable laser level because it runs on an internal battery pack that charges with USB-C instead of a proprietary plug or older USB option. It's also a professional-grade model with numerous beam options, all green for superior visibility even outdoors. One 360-degree horizontal and 2 360-degree vertical beams can be mixed and matched to suit your needs. With all the laser options included in this level, you can easily project a beam around a room's floors, walls, or ceilings, which is very useful when carrying out complex tasks such as installing cabinets or framing. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cigman 3x360 degrees green laser level. If you are taking on a major DIY home remodeling project or need a laser level for professional use, then the Cigman 3x360 degrees 3D green crossline laser level is worth the expense. This pro tool beams a green laser line that can be seen up to 100 feet as long as it's not being used in the brightest sunlight. Indoors, we had no problem seeing the crisp green lines across the length of the room. The tool has 3 lasers, which can be used individually or in various combinations. One 360-degree horizontal line and 2 360-degree vertical lines. That lets you create grids for complicated installations of cabinets or other large items. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.